Good morning traders, this is Chris and a very warm welcome to the early morning briefing. It is the 11th of December, it's 8:30 in the morning and gold, we have a fresh sell signal on gold. So we are expecting further downside momentum. The dashboard also confirms a sell on all charts, so we do expect a further downside. It is Monday though, so low volumes is the order of the day. Just make sure your stop is above this resistance area. Somewhere around here. I've sent the signal into the gold signals room, so good luck with that. Volume was high this morning, so we do expect further downside, and as I said, there is resistance on this line as well, so further downside momentum down to 1975. But don't forget the FOMC decision on Wednesday will have a high impact probably on all the US pairs. In terms of the yen, we are looking for a big fall in the yens in the next few days, and this will have less impact obviously on the FOMC. So this the yens are my favourites for this week. Canadian yen, euro yen. So this is the situation of the yen futures. We can see that the buyers are getting ready. Let me get rid of that. And this is likely to happen as it comes down to this liquidity area here and then moves back up again. What happens in terms of correlation is that the yen pairs, obviously, as this moves up, will fall. This is simply a correction. That's all it is. We're going to go through the yens now. Before I do that, just confirm a couple of things. Aussie 200 is parabolic to the upside. All the buyers are in. It's quiet, but nonetheless, as long as the price holds on to market structure. We had a change of character a few days ago, didn't we? So this is going up. UK FTSE 100, similar story there, pulling against us slightly, but that's okay. As long as you hold on to market structure, you will find the indices will be pretty much sideways for the time being. Congratulations to members who are in the DAX, and it looks like it wants to continue. Long as it holds on to market structure and above the 50 EMA, we are happy. Bitcoin, we are looking for another entry. We do have a change of character, so we do have to wait for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is coming off the list at the moment, but I think this is probably going to pull back quite significantly, but probably down to about here before we get another buying opportunity. In terms of oil, we are looking for a pullback in oil, which is happening right now. We do expect this to come up and maybe retest the 50 EMA before going down. Again, we're seeing light volumes, of course. The US yen, this is a briefing. I'm going to go into this in more detail later on for members. US yen is pulling back up. As I explained, the yen futures are pulling down onto an order block, and so we do expect this to reverse anytime now. Canadian yen, one of my favorites. As you can see, this is down. We're just waiting for confirmation, and we'll be going into the Advanced Pro Plus charts to get an entry on that. We'll have a really tight stop, but we'll have a massive target, so look out for that in the signals room. Pound yen, I did explain this is not one of my favorites, so there is support for this price on the higher time frames, but there is a possibility, depending how far it comes up to, it's now hitting the liquidity zone now, so we do expect this further to come down. As explained in the weekly Forex forecast, we're actually seeing a rally in terms of the euro yen, one of my favorites for this week. There is going to be a big move, and I did put the targets in the weekly Forex forecast, so look out for that. Once it's ready, I'll put that in the signals room. Same with the Swiss yen. Euro Canadian is downward, and it's hit a liquidity area. We did have a pullback and a nice swing high, and the buyers are almost ready for that one. Pound Swiss, lovely pullback, so we do expect this to roll over and fall down in the next few hours. Same with all the Swisses, really. So that's it. Let's have a quick look at this is gold. So yeah, we're seeing a bit of a pullback, but it's low volumes this morning. So I'll see you this afternoon, where we should have some fantastic trades in the next few days in terms of the yens.